much they said Uncle Goose said you won't free. I know you've been pressing your luck, but this like they gon' charge you.
They gon' charge me about what? They said what? They gon' do that. Dogs gon' get it. I've been for 2 years. So running with me. They're not setting you free.
I know you've had it to these skinhead that's up here. They hide down the mice up in your labor while you sweat that. You peel back, that bleed will surely cast you more than you did put in. Couple servants to the book. See them cats up in the scrutinized hogs will surely moving out here. But this is sort of institute you choose it. If for only moments you could seek to form some union, you think that they could really sow the means that you produce it. Do you? And whether models all contribute to you think they like you, don't you dare present yourself that foolish. Break these systems out the flesh, so we gon' struggle to it. So when they pick up and arm up their house yet, no, they only seek the fish capital safety nets. Farm hands and short men and work slaving legs. That misery been wrapped and discredited in full strength. Misery been jotted in records for our time. So let us not go acting like all of this might surprise you. See, it's quite the pity we propagate it like that. So let us flip script and right back what our hands been doing, what our hands producing, what our hands been full with. That loose changing, spooling, it's alright, that's dope. See, I know you think this time was working. Your aunties, your granddads, they all just lost their purpose. And you sit back and wonder, like what have you been hurting? Oh, it's something so perverted when that commune left deserted. See them treating their real you to form some isolation. Oh, they hold you and steer you to deeper concentration of that bad gate to which pay ain't feeding you and racial. And see, really, you don't dirty, but that profit isn't serving you. From my land to yours, we've exploited to town. From my land to yours, we've exploited to town. They is my land to they is the class. That don't taste this my land to yours, we've exploited to town. They is my land to yours, we've exploited to that foot careless, that sweatingly sneak. Strong red palms, but blisters is bleak. Same saying songs, no message to reap. Why them days seem long, but timing is cheap for 'em. Why that strain on the life